Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS, and GATE aerospace exam. So we are solving some questions based on the theory that we have covered. So next question is based on thermodynamics. So the question is a pressure vessel that has a volume of 10 meter cube is used to store high pressure for operating a supersonic wind tunnel. If the air pressure and temperature inside the vessel are 20 atmosphere and 300 Kelvin respectively. 1. What is the mass of air stored in the vessel? 2. Calculate the total energy of gas stored in the vessel. 3. Calculate the change in entropy of air inside the vessel if heat is added to increase the temperature of air to 600 Kelvin. So here we know that 1 atmosphere is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, and as the pressure is given at 20 atmosphere, so P is 20 into 1.01 into 10 power 5. R is 27, T is 300, so rho comes as 23.46 kilogram per meter cube. And mass is your uh, volume of vessel into density, so that is the answer to first question. Total mass stored of the gas is 234.6 kilogram. So now CV, either you can remember for a, that is 7.7 7.5 joule per kilogram per liter, or you can find out because you know R, that R is 287, gamma is 1.4, so this R divided by gamma is 1, so CV is just 717.5 joule per kilogram per liter. So internal energy stored is CV into T, so that is T is just 300, so it is 2.153 10 to 5 joule per kilogram. And now E, E is your sorry, that is per kilogram, so total energy multiplied by mass is 234.6, so that comes as 5.05 to the 5 joule. Okay, so now we have to find out change in entropy. So as T2 is given as 600 and T1 is given 300. So and the volume of the vessel is constant, so P2 by P1 is equal to P2 by P1, that is equal to 2. So PVT is constant, so V is also constant, so P2 by P1 is equal to T2 by T1, so it will be 2. And Cp value is 1.0004.5 joule per kilogram per day. You can remember for here, or you can find out like this, Cv plus 1. And the change in entropy formula is Cp ln T2 by T1 minus R ln P2 by P1. T2 by T1 is 2, P2 by P1 is 2. Cp is 1004.5, R is 287, so it comes to 497.3 joule per kilogram per liter. If you multiply it by mass, then it will be total change in entropy, that is 1.167 10 to 5 joule per liter.